What's up, y'all? It's your girl Wizzy and not L, and today we're gonna talk about a common mistake that we usually do that avoids hair too longer and how we can fix that. One of my friends brought to my attention after having braids for 1 or 2 months. She can see a lot of growth under those braids. Then she decided to take the braids down and detangle her hair. Then almost all of her hair was gone. Her hair became shorter than it was before having those braids. So after asking her a lot of questions, I kind of understand what happened to her. First of all, we need to understand that hair is a very thin fiber made with dead cells. It is really important to keep it moisturized and hydrated. When having a protective style for many days, or after using certain hair products for many days, hair can become dry and even very dry to the point to get damaged. And damaged hair means that the hair cuticle isn't functioning, isn't providing the protection that it should. And you can tell if your hair is damaged if it looks dry, frizzy, or dull. And here what you can do if that happens. First, you need to stop detangling your hair. Do not detangle your hair if your hair looks frizzy, dry, or dull. So let's look at this picture of a damaged hair. A damaged hair looks like this. And when pulling too much on a hair like this, it breaks. And this is the result of my friend's hair became shorter than it was before having those braids. Second, you need to quick have an okra hair mask. Okra or gumbo or callaloo hair mask, whatever you call it. Just let me know in the comment how do you call this and where you're watching me. Reason why we need to get that okra hair mask is because okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K. It is also rich in calcium, potassium, and a lot of nutrients that are great for hair growth, for moisturizing the scalp and the hair. And it also helps to get rid of dandruff. So you want to know how to prep your combo mask? Let's go with me in my kitchen. First, we need okra. Yes, okra or callaloo or gumbo, whatever you call it. Okra, you're gonna need it as the main ingredient. I got mine from Market Basket, the nearest grocery store. Second, aloe. Yes, aloe is a winner. I love aloe leaves. Third, castor oil, and another winner that nourishes hair and makes hair stronger, shinier, and healthier. Fourth, an empty hairspray bottle, and with no further ado, let's start the mask. We're gonna start by boiling the gumbo. So I'm gonna use the whole bag. While the okra is boiling, so we're gonna prep the aloe leaves. I'm gonna use half of this aloe leaf, clean it, and put it on the side. And of course, after getting the gel out of the leaf. Now that my gumbo is done cooking, I'm gonna save some of the water on the side, let it cool down for later, and I'm gonna use the rest to blend the gumbo. This is the consistency. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Then I'm gonna blend the aloe gel, add it together, add 1 spoon of castor oil, then mix everything together until you get an homogeneous mixture. Now take the rest of the okra water that was put on the side. Check if it's completely cooled down before putting in the spray bottle, because you don't want to burn yourself and you don't want to burn the bottle as well. I will add a few drops of castor oil, which is totally optional. I'll add it for more shininess. Are y'all ready for the application? Before moving forward, let me know in a comment where you watching me from so I can send a big hug to you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. I will start shampooing my hair using my favorite shampoo. I'm using Fructis by Garnier because this is my first choice. I am applying some hard massage with fingertips for making sure my scalp is being cleaned. After rinsing the shampoo out, then I apply the mask and cover my hair with a plastic for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I rinsed the mask out, then started to detangle my hair. My hair is so soft and my detangle comb goes through easily. This is that much hair so far that was left in the comb. So you can tell that this recipe really works because I don't lose a lot of hair. I am so happy for this mask repair. I can feel that my scalp is cleaned, my hair is safe and hydrated. It's time for the combo water. Spray it all over your hair as a leave-in conditioner, and you can keep the rest of the water in the fridge up to a week and use it every day for keeping the hair always moisturized. Now it's time for scalp massage. I'm using my scalp massage oil. If you're curious about how I prep my scalp massage oil, hit the notification bell so you won't miss out that video. It is extremely important that you understand the reaction that just happened. I turned my hair from a damaged into a healthy, strong, and hydrated hair. And now I am ready for a safe hairstyle. There are some things that you can do if that ever happened. After undoing your perfective hairstyle and you have to go out quickly, you're not gonna have time for the okra hair mask. So before pulling on those dry hair or damaged hair, do these tips. You can use the Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner Detangles by Marc Anthony. This product is really good. It is an emergency moisturizer. Spray the product all over your hair by focusing more on the ends, because the ends are more dry than the other part of your hair. Then brush your hair, detangle your hair using your detangle brush or your comb, whatever you usually use to detangle your hair. Or you can simply use water. Yeah, use water before detangling your hair. And this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was really helpful. I'll see you for another one. And don't forget to leave your comments, suggestion, and question in the comment section below. Bye bye.